Now, LLMs can do some amazing stuff, but sometimes they can give us some really idiosyncratic responses. And oftentimes when you deploy a model, it can happen that the model may not generate the response that the users want. And it's actually crucial that you observe that, you capture that interaction between the users and the LLMs to get that feedback. Use that feedback and retrain the model to improve it. This is where this nice framework comes in. Hugging Face released an Observability SDK where you can observe interactions that are happening between the users and the model. Now, at the end, you will get a nice record of different interactions that happen between the users and the LLMs that you can use to find what happened, why they finished a response, different function calls that were happened and why they happened, and then use it to retrain the model to improve it. Now, this is really powerful, and I'm glad that Hugging Face is really getting inside of this action. Now, observability allows you to track and record interactions between AI models and users, store the observations, and query and analyze them, as I just showed you guys. Now, why observers? Why do we need it? Well, we need transparency. Track every AI interaction, get the flexibility and ease of use, and of course, it's open source. Now, how do you use it? You simply use it just like any other model. You have your OpenAI client, you pass in the endpoint, and then you get the response. Now, between these steps, what you can do is you can wrap it with this observers API, which can record every single interaction that is happening between the AI model and the users and record everything. This can be used to retrain the model, analyze the dataset that you gather between the interactions, and also pass it to an annotation platform called Argilla. Now, I'm quite new to Argilla. This is something I have to dive deep inside of, but this is another annotation platform that you can use to integrate with observability and your LLMs to find out whether or not the various interactions were good enough. Now, this is open source, this is available over here. I'm not going to go through the code on how to use it because it seems quite simple, but there's something you guys can look into. Alright guys, hope you found this video insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. Alright guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.